It's my great pleasure to welcome all of you, and I wish all of you a very happy and a comfortable stay here. Esteemed National Security Advisors of the member states of the Colombo Security Conclave, Excellencies, Secretary General of the Colombo Security Council Secretariat, and distinguished delegates. A very good morning to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to be amongst friends and to host all of you in New Delhi for the 7th meeting of the NSAs of the CSC. The CSC has gained immense significance today in the midst of a rapidly changing and challenging global security environment. Realizing the growing import of strengthening regional partnership amongst the countries of the Indian Ocean region, we came together in 2020 to reinforce the cooperation in vital matters of security through the establishment of Colombo Security Conclave. I am happy that our engagements have gained momentum since the 6th NSA meeting that was held in Mauritius in December 2023. The strength and success of this august group lies in our common vision, consultations and convergence of objectives. We have been building our capacities through regular engagements across the 5 pillars of cooperation. We adopted the CSC Charter and the MOU on the establishment of the CSC Secretariat in August last year. We also appointed the first Secretary General of the CSC earlier this year, and I am pleased to welcome him also to this meeting. I would like to place on record the excellent coordination by the Secretariat of the CSC in this regard. Excellencies, the ocean is our biggest heritage. It is the engine that propels our economies. As countries joined by shared maritime geographies, it is our responsibility to ensure the safety, security, and stability of the region. We need to shape a favorable environment to nurture an open, inclusive maritime domain anchored firmly on a rule-based order. We also need to work closely for the preservation and use of our common maritime heritage. India is committed to continue working closely with all CSC countries to enhance our collective capacities in dealing with the evolving and emerging security challenges. I am confident that our deliberations today will be productive and forward-looking, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you very much.